I'm Amy Hoagie, chef instructor for kids and adults, where I teach you how to play with food. Today we're going to be taking a classic recipe, switching it up a little bit to create a whole new dish. And we're featuring potato salad. Today we're playing with potato salad, sweet potato and broccoli potato salad. And so here are the ingredients. We've got some cut up sweet potatoes where I've already boiled them, about 10 minutes in a saucepan. We've got some fresh broccoli, some mayonnaise, some bacon, which actually I don't know if you know, but you can go ahead and put it on a baking sheet and bake it in the oven for about at 350 for about 10-15 minutes till it's crispy. Drain it, chop it up. And then we've got some salt and some nutmeg, which is a really good pairing with the sweet potatoes. So I'm going to go ahead and now this is a one-person serving. So I'm probably going to be adding maybe about a cup, maybe less, probably two-thirds of a cup of sweet potatoes, chopped up, some broccoli, and I like the color of this recipe too. We've got some bacon, maybe about a tablespoon. Got a little salt. And then I love fresh ground nutmeg. I'm going to use my zester. This is actually what a nutmeg looks like right here. And all you're going to do is just a little bit of a zest. Too much. We don't want to add too much. And then I'm going to toss this actually first, and then I'm going to go ahead and add some mayonnaise. I like using the full fat mayonnaise. And all this is going to do is act like our glue for our potato salad to hold it all together. You could add sour cream if you want. You could do a little buttermilk. Nice. So let me go ahead and actually just pour this in right here. So here you have it, sweet potato broccoli salad. Let me go ahead and have a sample. I need to get a piece of bacon in there. Lots of fun flavors. It's actually kind of like almost like a little bit of a Thanksgiving type potato salad. Maybe you can do this for Thanksgiving instead of that sweet potato salad. Thank you for joining me. I'm Chef Amy Hoagie. For more information, you can visit my website at chefamy with 2 e's.com.